Hello everybody, this is David Shekhin. On this guide I'm going to show you what plugin I'm using on WordPress to create a learning management system for your courses. Okay, so in order to activate the LMS, which is Learning Management System, in WordPress, you have to download a plugin that's called LearnPress. Because we have a lot of LMS plugins in WordPress, but this is what I'm using, and I think it's the best as long as I saw those reviews that this plugin has. So after you have downloaded this, I'm going to go on a little brief on this courses section. When you go on the dashboard below LearnPress, you have courses, and as you can see, I've created already some courses. Let's take for example this one that I've just copied to give the example for this guide. Now, on this title, like adding a new post, you create the name of the course. Right here on the long description, you create the intro of the course. As you can see, this is a long one, and down here on the curriculum, you can add the lessons and the sections for this course. On this example, I have some lessons on each section, and if you want to add a new one, you go down below all the lessons and you create a new section. Now, of course, to create a new lesson, you go here, like adding a new post, exactly the same, add new, you add a new lesson, give it a title, the name of the lesson, which is public, that appears on this course page, as you can see right here. This is me as a user, which of course I didn't sign up for this course, I didn't pay for it, so I can see this as locked, but I can see the name of the lesson, the name of the section, and the description of the section. Right here I can show more sections, and I can see all of the course right here on this page. Now on this tab I can see the long description that I've just put it. And on this tab, I can see who has created this course. These details I can add and edit on the course page, as I can show you right now. After you have added all of the lessons and the sections of this course and even added a featured image, you can go down here to the course settings and you can set the duration of the course. If it's set to 0 for the lifetime access, you can do that as well. You can edit as minutes, hours, days, or weeks. You can block the content when the duration expires, or of course block the course after the student finished this course if you want to. You can allow users to purchase this course after it has been finished or blocked. By the way, you can also add this purchase action as a pop-up, keep course progress, or reset the course progress as well. You can add the level of this difficulty of this course. It will be right here. The user will see it, and if he is a beginner, you can add it as well. You can put here the beginner difficulty level, or intermediate, or the expert level. You can add the fake students enrolled, how many students have taken this course, which appears right here. And of course, it's just for the advertisements. If you do advertise this course to create new students, you can show them that this is not a new course. People have taken it and it's okay, you can take it as well. You can also add the maximum student number of this course that can join. If you set it to 0, it's for unlimited amount. You can retake this course. If it's on 0, of course, you can disable this option, and finish button allow you to show the finish button when the student has completed all the items but has not passed the course assessment yet. You can add the featured list, add the course to the featured list if you want to. Of course, you can add a review here if you want, and the external link for the payment. If you don't have payment system that is connected to this WordPress website, as you can do that in the WooCommerce site. You can do that as well here. If you didn't add, you can add this external link to purchase it on the payment system that you have. After you've done all of this, you can set your course and publish it. And of course, you can add the quizzes if you want to add quizzes to the course, which creates much more passion and obstacles to the students if you want them to actually learn something new. Not just view the content that you put here or the lessons, you can also ask them questions and add it right here. After that, you can add the quizzes, and you can add each quiz to every section you want. After every lesson or after a few lessons, you can add it as well. And on this settings tab, you can see that you can add the courses pages for the setup of the plugin, the currency, if you have the payment system connected. Right here, you can connect the payment system. If it's PayPal or something else, of course PayPal is available and you can put your email. Right here on the courses tab, you can edit all of the courses settings as well, so you can see right here, and there you have it. You can add as many courses as you want and even many authors as you want, so you will have a learning management system like Udemy, for an example, just on WordPress. As you saw, it's very easy to use LearnPress, and you can also create their lessons, courses, and quizzes. If you have any more questions, you can write down in the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.